Guys, I'm scared. Hey everyone, I'm Katie and welcome back to Katie's Creations. If you didn't know, I recently filmed a video where I highlighted my own hair. If you didn't see the video, I will link it down below and you can check it out. In that video, I had talked about potentially cutting my hair. Now, at the end of highlighting my hair, I felt like my hair was really healthy. I still feel like the ends do not feel dry. I don't really feel like I need a haircut for health reasons necessarily, but I'm really tired of the length. I was growing my hair out long for the purpose of my friend's wedding coming up in June. But for obvious reasons, unfortunately, her wedding has been postponed. Now it's just kind of at this like weird mid-length that I don't like because it's hard to style. So recently, Mondo actually came out with a very conveniently timed video, which is how to cut your hair properly without ruining it. But I'm going to be using, finally my fancy comb came in after I did my highlights, so that wasn't very convenient, but that's okay. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair off. You're going to need, if you are doing this at home, you're going to need a comb or something to section off your hair. You're going to need 4 smaller elastics. They don't have to be the clear ones, but smaller elastics are better. And you're going to need some scissors. So kitchen scissors are not preferred, but I'll show you what I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so don't laugh too hard at me, but the only kind of sharp scissors that I have that are really good quality scissors are my dog's grooming scissors. Mondo mentioned in his video that you have to have good quality scissors. Now, I have good quality scissors, okay? I paid $25 for these scissors and they're absolutely amazing. I've used them a couple times on my dog because I do his grooming myself, especially right now when the groomers are closed. The only difference to them is they have a curve, but since I'm going to be doing like chopping in towards the hair, I don't think that's going to make much of a difference, to be honest. I hope it doesn't anyways. Okay, so he says that you should part your hair exactly like you would normally part it. Thank you for your help. This is very helpful. So I usually part my hair here or even just a little bit farther over. You go down. And then we want to bring our hair all the way down to the back. And then I part it in half. I'm just going to clip it so that I make sure I keep it that way. Okay, and then he says to lay your comb like on your head this way. This seems kind of weird. And then you're going to find where your head is the tallest. So my apex is about right there. Okay, and then I'm going to match the tallest part of my head and then draw a straight line down to the back of my ear. Oh yeah, that's pretty spot on actually. That's pretty cool. Find where I parted my hair on this side and make it sure it's nice and even. There we go. So here, and then I'm drawing a line from there to behind my ear. Perfect. So Brad says that you should think about where your hair falls. Okay, and he says not to direct it forward at all, but you want it to be where it would sit on your shoulder. I'm going to do the same thing with this section, although this section's a lot bigger. That's okay, because that's how I part my hair. Okay, now the back is tricky. So the biggest thing was, so especially at this part of the ponytail, you want this part of the ponytail to be really smooth. If this part of the ponytail is like this, your hair is going to be uneven. The important thing is not to pull your hair forward. So he said that what you can do is you can brush it back. Okay, so it's smooth, it's not pulling, and that's a good sign. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This is actually the hardest part, is putting your hair into the ponytails, which I know seems ridiculous, but they need to be like the smoothest ponytails you've ever made. Back ones feel pretty smooth. I think this is the exciting part, slash the terrifying part. Now I just need to bite the bullet and do it. Okay, so you're doing something called point cutting. So you're holding your elastic, and then you just start cutting. You just do it. I'm like cutting into my ponytail, I guess, is the thing. Oh my word. If I'm doing this wrong, I'm going to have a conniption. I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking. Well, I kind of like the effect that it's making though. Like a feathered effect. Okay, and then I'm just making sure that, yeah, these scissors work well too. And then I'm just making sure, can I just show you? Guys, that's a lot of growth. It's a lot of hair for me. So here's the moment of truth. I'm sitting here with a lot of hair on my lap. I have a lot of hair to begin with. To be honest, like I said, I didn't need a haircut, but it was time. Like my hair feels, especially the hair that I chopped off, like when I'm touching this hair, it just feels dry. I'm wondering if I should put this in a bag and keep it. I don't know. Maybe like make a mustache out of it. It's a lot of hair. Look at that. Now is the moment of truth. I'm actually going to take out these hair elastics and I really hope it doesn't look ridiculous. I'm just trusting in Brad Mondo and you guys, my hair feels so good. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this length. I just kind of randomly decided on a length. Like I didn't put any thought into it. It's a lot shorter than I was expecting. I'm not going to lie to you. But like, look at that. Okay, let's do the other side. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. Now, are these sides even with each other? I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this side's a bit longer. But that's okay, because I can like point cut it. I can put it back into a pony and point cut it some more. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Maybe if, okay, I'm going to take out this section and see. Ah! You guys, this did not work for me. Look at this. Look at this. What the hell is that? What the hell? Like, this is a straight situation and it looks beautiful, but like, what is that? It's like a staircase. What did I do wrong? I honestly followed the steps like perfectly. Okay. Stay calm, Katie. It's fine. Okay. I'll just keep point cutting. Everything's just gonna go back into the ponytail, I suppose. I don't understand what happened. Is this too big of a section? Well, I'm loving this front piece at least, and like, I mean, it could be worse. I could hate it. Like, I could be like, oh my god, this is way too short, and then not be able to get it back. I mean, there's that problem, right? So I just need to keep point cutting, I guess, until my life ends. I really don't know what happened with the elastics. Like I really did. I've watched that video like 4 times. And then I've watched other people do the video. I don't know. But that tells me that the other side, the other back side is not going to be quite the same. So I need to get this back lined up with the front, this side lined up with the front, and then this back lined up, but that's okay. I'm remaining calm, and this is all a learning curve. I've never used this method before. I'm not a professional hairstylist. And so far, I'm like really excited about how cute my hair is looking in the front. So there's that. Still off though. Still off. Okay, is she lining up? Oh, yes! Heck yes. Look at that, guys. point cut myself some dang bangs. Okay. Hallelujah. Alright, now, the truth of the matter is that this last section is very, very likely longer than everything else. I'm just going to take a quick peek at it. Yeah, so they're like an inch longer or more than everything else. I don't know if you can see that. So I need to fix that situation. I'm going to go ahead and put that back into a ponytail and get point cutting again. Cool. Okay, that feels amazing. As I know, I like to wear my hair a little bit wavy when my hair is this short. I don't want to have like this blunt kind of like hanging look, because when I throw a few curls in my hair with a curling iron or with my straightener, it kind of just hangs at the same place and the curl sits at the bottom of my hair. So what I want to do is throw in a few layers. So I'm going to continue following this tutorial. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the tutorial. I'm sure it's fantastic. I did something wrong when I was following it. The actual cut didn't go perfectly for me, but I managed to follow my way through it. And now I have an even cut. And so it worked out fine. I'm really happy with the cut. My hair feels like silk and I'm super excited about it. So now I'm on to the layering part of the video, which apparently is the easiest part. I have resectioned my hair, and I know what you're thinking, I look amazing. I probably will wear it like this to my wedding if I ever get married. Just a beautiful style. So I'm bringing my hair up into a section, and then he said with your finger or whatever, you can just place your finger in the middle of the ponytail and bring half of the ponytail down. Go to the top, add tension to the hair, tie the elastic, keep it up high while you're adding the elastic in, and then I'm just gonna let the hair go loose. So I'm gonna have like a saggy, weird looking ponytail, 4 of them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
I'm gonna show you that one more time. So I'm bringing my entire section up to the top. I'm splitting my section approximately in half with my finger / my comb, bringing tension to the hair, tying the top of the hair with an elastic, pulling the hair upward, making sure to keep that tension, and let her flop. Okay.
He said make it very, very feathered and don't take off too much, like an inch. You like cut into it a little bit more, so it's definitely not perfect. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to mess with it too much. And then, oh yeah, that definitely creates some really nice layers. Like, I don't know if you can see that, and I feel like when I throw some curls in it now, it's going to be really nice. I'm glad I did that, actually, especially the way that I wear my hair when it's this length. Also I feel like that created a little bit of like texture for me to be able to do that too. All right, I'm gonna style my hair a little bit and I will be right back to show you the big reveal. All right, you guys, I went ahead and gave it a little bit of curl. It's getting dark, so I didn't want to film into the night too much. I cut off quite a lot of hair. I want to say that I probably cut off close to 3 or 4 inches of hair. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will attach some photos of my haircut today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.